Flashforge AD5X Review. Real multicolor speed and reliability for everyday makers. Ever watched a print fail 3 hours in and just stared at it in silence? I once lost a detailed cosplay piece overnight because the first layer shifted, and that frustration lingers. You tweak, you reslice, you wait again. It adds up fast. If that cycle sounds familiar, you are definitely not alone, right? The deeper issue is not just wasted filament. It is the mental pressure, the quiet overwhelm of constant tuning and slow iteration. I remember missing a client prototype deadline because I was babysitting a printer instead of designing. That stings. There has to be a faster, calmer way to print multicolor parts without turning every project into a troubleshooting session. Then everything changed when I found the Flashforge AD5X. Don't just pick any multicolor 3D printer. Make sure it has a true 4-color intelligent filament system, so you never waste time on constant manual filament swaps and messy color transitions again. The Flashforge AD5X combines a Core XY motion system with up to 600 millimeters per second travel speed, input shaping, and a 300 degrees Celsius all-metal direct drive extruder, which means you get speed without sacrificing clean corners and smooth layers. Here is what surprised me. One-click auto bed leveling with automatic Z offset removes that first layer anxiety. And the PEI spring steel build plate makes part removal simple instead of stressful. A small studio owner I know was seconds from scrapping a multicolor logo job when the IFS handled color changes smoothly and saved the print mid-run. Relief. The 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter build volume suits most hobby and small business work, while Wi-Fi and Ethernet support let you monitor prints remotely. Even experienced users appreciate how it balances creative freedom with predictable results. Want to see how it handles real-world models? Long-term, the Flashforge AD5X starts to feel less like a project and more like a tool you trust. Faster iteration means you move from idea to prototype in hours instead of days, and that directly improves focus and workflow. A long-term user with over 1,000 print hours reported consistent reliability and solid print quality once the workflow was learned. An influencer reviewing cosplay and miniatures paraphrased it simply, surprisingly solid, and it just works. Analysts comparing budget multicolor printers often point out that the Core XY design, linear rails, and input shaping help maintain accuracy at higher speeds, which shows up in cleaner corners and fewer artifacts. I have personally seen a flexible TPU print finish cleanly at speed, something older machines struggled with. Some makers hesitate because multicolor systems create purge waste. Fair concern. In practice, most users print or design a simple waste chute and factor it into material planning, and the trade-off for 4-color capability is usually worth it. See why so many hobbyists stick with it. When your printer saves time instead of demanding it, how does that change your creative pace? If you want faster prints, cleaner multicolor transitions, and fewer late-night troubleshooting sessions, the Flashforge AD5X is worth serious consideration. Thousands of hobbyists and small creators already rely on Core XY systems with intelligent filament switching to keep projects moving, though results may vary depending on materials and tuning. The Flashforge AD5X blends speed, control, and creative flexibility in a compact footprint. Check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment. Explore the details and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.